Hello friends, welcome back to our channel DIY Affinity. Today I am going to make stencil using plastic file. You can use any waterproof material. You can use foam sheets, plastic file divider, laminating sheets, anything you want. But make sure it is waterproof. Otherwise you cannot reuse the stencils. I have printed some designs from the internet. You can search stencil designs in Google and get these images. I am using a cutting board to avoid scratches. I am using a detailing knife and a tape to secure the image to the plastic folder. First I am going to cut the plastic file according to the size of the image I printed. Then I am going to secure it using the tape and start cutting using the detailing knife. Here I am going to cut 3-4 designs. Then I am going to make a simple wall decor using the stencils at the end. You can use acrylic paints, texture paste on the stencils. Buying a stencil can cost you bomb. Making the stencils at home is very easy. You just need to cut the design in the plastic file. Make sure you use a sharp knife and cut the images precisely. Now I finished my first design. I am going to make few more designs. We made 4 designs. This is my homemade canvas. On that I placed a design. Now I am using golden paint on the stencil, using sponge brush. See how beautiful it has. Next I am going to try texture paste on the stencil. I made a texture paste in little runny consistency, but usually it is little bit thick. This works fine on texture paste also. Now I am going to color the image. See the final output. By using simple stencils, you can make a beautiful home decor. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.